Hey folks, welcome back. Jordan here at the Nutty Gnome Homestead. It is a beautiful day here in southern Illinois, and we are going to do our best to make the most of the nice weather. Behind me here we have our kids' play set. It needs pressure washed and it needs a coat of water seal put on it. So today we're going to make a quick video. We're going to get the pressure washing done, and if I get around to it, we're going to try to get at least one coat of Thompson water seal on it tonight. So you guys, we're not going to be doing much talking in this video. It's going to be all work. We're going to take advantage of this beautiful weather. Y'all stick around. So we have this nice weathered wood here. This is some type of cedar from Asia. Guys, these aren't the best put together, but I have come through here and I've shored them up quite a bit. The cedar, it's real weathered now. You guys can leave it like this. It might last another 2 or 3 years, but I guarantee you, if you pressure wash this once a season, put a new coat of water seal on it, it's going to last you at least a decade. So you guys see this right here? You guys, we have a little bit of moss growing up here on the top. Let me show you what it's going to look like after it's been pressure washed. If you guys look up here on the top, we come through here, we pressure washed all the moss off, we pressure washed all the aged, weathered looking wood, the dirt and the grime and everything off of there. This is going to dry real quick out in the sun. Come back this evening and put a coat of water seal on it. It's going to soak it up real nice, last you for a long time. So we use this 2000 psi pressure washer on the plastic parts too. It really does help bring them back to life. Takes all the grime and the wear off of them. They do look real great. If you guys are wanting to sell one of these items, they sell a lot better whenever they look cleaned up. So one of these pressure washers, I think every homestead should have one. You guys can see they don't look brand new, but it looks pretty darn close. And then after this dries, we'll come back with some Thompson water seal and we'll get it all cleaned up. So we're just putting on a layer of water seal here. Just brushing it in, try to get it into all the surfaces. Try to get it in, especially on the end grains. Want to make sure you get that real good because that's where it's going to get the water to soak in first and rot first. Now we're just going to come through here and we're going to paint this whole thing with some water seal. Goes on kind of white, dries clear. Really nothing to it, guys. I like using a 4-inch brush and these little disposable loaf pans. Makes cleanup a lot easier. These 4-inch brushes will clean them up. A little bit of soap and water. Just take your time and get all the surfaces. All right, folks. So we put our coat of water seal on this. This is just a clear water seal. Guys, it looks like $1 million. Looks just like the day we did put it together. So if you guys take care of your stuff, they'll last a really long time. Even the things that are exposed to the elements like this, the sun beating down on it, all the sun, the snow, everything else, rain, guys, take care of your stuff. They'll last at least a decade or more. So if you guys have any questions or comments about pressure washing or water sealing one of your outdoor equipment, give us a message down below or contact us over on Eddie Gnome Homestead on Facebook. If you haven't done so, hit that like, share, and subscribe. My little buddy there would appreciate it. So, guys, I think it's time for us to swing. Y'all stay safe.